Hello all my YouTube friends. I just wanted to come today and show everyone what I've been working on. I've signed up for a couple swaps and these are my first ones, so I'm kind of excited about them, but I wanted to show you what I'm doing. And the first one that I'm signed up for is a 4th of July tag swap, and I've made a tag. I packaged them all up. I didn't think about opening them and the paper crinkling, but I'm just going to open it up so you can see a little bit closer. I just used some flowers, made a flower collage, and I made sure to stickle up all the edges. I made these little swirly things out of some wire, and I stickled a toothpick flag for your cupcakes. I made a couple stick pins to stick in there, and put a couple feathers behind, glittered up a couple leaves for the background. I got these little clear flowers from China. Most of all this stuff come from my stash. I've got a big stash because I sell on YouTube, or I sell on eBay, excuse me. And a bunch of ribbons I just put at the top with a clothespin. And that is the tag that I created. I've got some goodies that I've packaged up to go along with it. I'm sending some flags and some bling. Everybody can use bling. And just some jute that I put on a little spool that I made. And hopefully she likes what I've made. Like I said, these are my first swaps, so I'm real excited to do this, and hopefully everything goes well. I'll be right back with another one that I've made. And we're back. The next swap that I signed up for was the 4th of July paperclips and or clothespin swap, and you could do 6 clothespin or 6 paper clips, or a combination of both. And I decided to do a combination of both, and I have packaged everything up. I like packaging things, I reckon. But here are my 3 clothespins that I created. I just put some flower collage. I'm sorry about the light. I really can't get some good light in here today. But I just put some rose collage on each clothespin, and I made the little swirly things. This blue flower here, I didn't have any blue that looked good, so I actually painted a foam flower and put that there. And I put some ribbons at the top with a clothespin, and I love this little tiny butterfly, so I'm gonna kind of zoom in on it, see if you can see it. It's actually a punch that I got at Tuesday morning, and it is so cute. It is just so teeny tiny. I like teeny tiny things. And then the paper clips that I created, I made 3 paper clips, and I used ribbon for the background for the banner part, and I just put some bling and some flowers. And like I said, most of this stuff is from my stash. I have a lot of it. This was actually a button, this little clock right here, and I thought it looked kind of cute and it filled in a space. These are stickers that I had, and of course the flag is a toothpick. This is another sticker in the USA and the America. Those are all stickers, and I just wanted to share this with y'all. I'm really excited about doing these swaps. I've signed up for 3. I've got one more that I have signed up for, and I'm going to show you what I made for it. It's not red, white, and blue. I did make a couple little goodies to go in with this, some bling and some ribbon and some samples of washi. Anyway, let me get the next one ready and I'll come back and show you. Okay, I'm back, and the next swap that I'm going to show you that I signed up for is a die cup swap. And I really kind of challenged myself because I was trying to figure out a way to ship and send the die cuts that I cut out that would make them look pretty and not just throw it in an envelope. So I created a little book to put them in, and I used a Recollections paper pad. It is the Floral Fantasy. I got it at Michael's. Let's see if you can see it. There we go. But I used this pad to create everything in this swap. And I made this little book, and I put the die cuts in it. On the front, I tied a ribbon around it and put one of these word bands, the Tim Holtz word bands. They come in a set like this, and I used one out of it. And you just have to, the lace I actually ordered off eBay. It took me months to get from China, but the lace is beautiful. It comes with the little ribbon roses and the little bling pieces already on it, and I thought it was really pretty. I thought it looked good with the collection, so I'm hoping that she likes it. I'm not sure what her style is, so I'm hoping that she likes it. But anyway, you just slide the ribbon off, and on the inside of the book I just used some washi tape, and I put all my die cuts in little bags, and I put each one in a separate bag, and I just used washi tape to put them on the book. And I just have several different die cuts in here. I thought there's some words and stuff, and I stayed with the colors of the book. I used black, pink, and white, and I just thought that would be a pretty way to present her with the die cuts. I do hope she likes it. I also made a few little goodies to go with it. Well, I have a few, and I made something to go with it. I just packaged up some stuff to match and look pretty. This is some of the Tim Holtz ornament plates. I actually got these off HSN shopping channel. And I seen where the girl I'm swapping with likes Tim Holtz, so that's why I'm sending Tim Holtz with it. These are some of the Tim Holtz ideology tickets. And they just come in a book like this with all the different tickets in it. I thought I would share some of those with her since she likes Tim Holtz. And this I made a little matchbook box thing. It opens up like a matchbook, and I made some stick pins to go in here. But I come up with a really clever idea when I was making this. I was trying to figure out how to get the stick pins in it where they wouldn't come out and everything, but this is the matchbox that I made, and here are my stick pins. I'll zoom in on those so you can see. I used the black and the pink to go with the collection, but I took a piece of foam, and this is, I glued it in there so I can't take it out, but it is a piece of foam that you get at the hardware store. I think I have a piece. Hang on, I'll show you. Of course, I painted it to make it match the collection, but this is the foam that you get in the hardware store, and it's like almost an inch thick, but it comes in 4-foot by 8-foot sheets. And I bought this for a project that I did for my grandson's preschool. I did a whole theme and decorated the whole front end of the preschool for their Seussical Summer. I do have pictures of that on Pinterest. I'll put the link to that down where you can see, because I made all kind of cat in the hat stuff. But anyway, back to this swap. I took that foam and I painted it. I cut it down to where it would fit in here, and I painted it so it would match, and then I stuck the stick pins in there. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to, maybe if I turn it like this. There we go, you can kind of see it now. But the stick pins are in there really sturdy. This is a real dense foam, and they're real sturdy, and I don't think they're going to come out in shipping. I hope not. But that was just something I come up with, and I made it kind of a box shape rather than a flat book. See, it's kind of thick, but I thought that kind of worked out good. I might do a tutorial on how I did that. But also, I wanted to let everyone know that I haven't forgotten about the tutorial for the little dresser. I run into some complications and had to order some stuff for it. I didn't have the wood for the legs. I didn't have any more of that, and the stickers I put on the front, I couldn't find the rest of those that I had, which I think I only have one more sheet. But anyway, I had to order some stuff, so I'm in the process of doing that. I haven't forgot about it. And I'm also working with my brother, who is Timber Steel Studios, about the challenge that I'm going to have for the $50 gift card to scrapbook.com. A lot of things, we're working on a lot of things, and hopefully I can get them all up soon. But I'll keep you posted on what's going on. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. I'm trying to really build my channel here, and everything is greatly appreciated. Very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.